So this is one of our favorite holes. It's in the very back on Mud Mile, kind of on the mud flats. Really far from the gate, but everyone likes to sink their shit here. Rich flipped over his monster Ranger here one time. Robin sunk her foiler here a couple times. Everyone sunk shit here. And of course today there was at least 2, 3, maybe 4 alligators in it. One of them was like a 2 or 3 footer. So I decided to investigate and chase the alligator out and then try to see how big it was. And then everyone else decided to go through it. And yeah, it's pretty rare to see a side-by-side on 6-inch portals and 42s get totally high-centered. Both the side-by-sides probably could have made it through if they hit a little harder, but the hole's got a really steep drop in and big ruts, so that's hard to do. But they made it through, and then Jay decided to hit it with a swamp buggy, and water got and everything, and yeah, you'll see us trying to recover that and get it running towards the end of the video. Super fun time though. I hit it sideways and kind of crab walked through it because my snorkels weren't nearly tall enough to hit it in the center of the rut.
He went down like right here. Look. He's back out here now.
That's a different one.
Easy, 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 easy.
Oh.
Put it in 4. Put it in 4, turn. Are you in 4?
Yeah.
What? No way.
No way.
There's only 2 alligators in here, too.
Yeah.
There's no rut after that spot right there. Just take it easy. Steer left. Oh! Look! That's number 3. Right there. Go! You're almost past the rut. Steer a little left. There you go. You're past it now. That drop in is steep.
That drop, that's pretty big. High center.
No!
Oh, it's deeper than it was before.
The rut got you.
Holy shit. Hey, you want me to go over there?
Let's just try this for now. I just want to get his engine up. It's moving.
Right, Mike, right. On the brake.
Your engine's up. Holy shit, it's working! Jay, straight out your wheel! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Here we got him. I cannot believe that worked!
Are you on the brake? I'm just kidding. I'm impressed.
Oh, it's just looking all around here.
Whoa!
Oh my god! I can't believe it started like that. Dude, it pushed water all the way up that pipe. I kind of felt like that was a bad idea, but I also wanted to see what would happen.
But I also know that I made it through here so many times.
I know. No, there's a bigger rut than usual.
Yes.
I mean, this thing got high centered.
Yes.